Hello friends, how are you? Today we are here with a very special topic that is about our beautiful national flag. So, don't miss a single word of this article because it contains a lot of important information about our national flag. So, let's start by tapping the red subscribe button given below. The Indian national flag is the symbol of the land and people of India. Our national flag is a tricolour panel made up of 3 rectangular panels or sub-panels of equal widths. The color of the top panel is India saffron, kesaria, and that of bottom is India green. The middle panel is white, bearing at its center the design of the Ashoka Chakra in navy blue color with 24 equally spaced spokes. The Ashok Chakra is visible on both sides of the flag in the center of the white panel. The flag is rectangular in shape with the ratio of the length to the height width being 3:2. Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan explained about the national flag in the Constituent Assembly which adopted it. Bhagwa or the saffron color denotes renunciation or disinterestedness. The white in the center is light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. The green shows our relation to the soil, our relation to the plant life here on which all other life depends. The Ashoka Wheel is the wheel of the law of dharma. Truth or satya, dharma or virtue ought to be the controlling principles of those who works under this flag. Again, the wheel denotes motion. There is life in movement. India must move and go forward. If done properly, there is no restriction on display of the national flag by common people, private organization or educational institutions. Consistent with the dignity and honor of the flag as detailed in the Flag Code of India, anyone may hoist, display the national flag on all days and occasions, ceremonial or otherwise. Where the practice is to fly the flag on any public building, it must be flown on the building on all days including Sundays and holidays and, except as provided in the code, it shall be flown from sunrise to sunset irrespective of weather conditions. The flag may be flown on such a building at night also, but this should be only on very special occasions. The flag must not be used as a drapery in any form except in state, military, central paramilitary forces funerals. In such cases also the flag must not be lowered into the grave or burnt in the pyre. The flag must not be draped over the hood, top, sides or back of a vehicle, train or boat. It must not be used or stored in such a manner as may damage or soil it. When the flag is in a damaged or soiled condition, it must not be cast aside or disrespectfully disposed of but be destroyed as a whole in private, preferably by burning. The flag must not be used as a covering for a building. Although the flag can be used as a costume or uniform, it should not be used as undergarments or below the waist. It must not be embroidered or printed upon cushions, napkins, etc. Lettering of any kind must not be put upon the flag. It must not be used in any form of advertisement. Showing disrespect or insult to the national flag is a punishable offense. The national flag must not be flown from a single masthead simultaneously with any other flag. There must be separate mastheads for different flags. When a foreign dignitary travels in a car provided by government, the national flag is flown on the right side of the car and the flag of the foreign countries on the left side of the car. In the event of the death of the president, the vice president or the prime minister, the national flag is half-masted throughout the country. Over the last 5 decades, several people including members of the armed forces have laid down their lives to keep the tricolour flying in its full glory. We must salute and cherish our national flag.